Ulitin namin yung heartbeat. Sige, sige. Alright, it's okay. It's okay.
Can you move on this
Okay,
side?
sure. No problem. Alright. Yung left niya.
Length, yeah.
Oh.
18. Oh, it's like 18.5. That's okay.
That's okay, baby.
18.5.
Okay, sige. Sure.
Do some measurements. Check his head.
Oo nga. Parang vital statistics yan
Ito mga meds, routine meds with all newborn.
Okay.
So he'll get eye ointment and infection sa eyes. And then he'll get vitamin K to prevent bleeding in newborn. This is a shot, so he'll get 2 shots.
Okay.
So the other one is his first dose of hepatitis B vaccine.
Oh, so immunize na natin, no?
Ha?
I-immunize natin mga...
Yeah, yung first lang yung hepatitis.
Okay. So yung eye ointment niya, kayo na muna maglalagay, no?
Just one, ito lang, after birth lang.
After birth lang.
After birth lang.
Okay.
Lahat ng babies.
Okay, okay.
Yung Hep B, yung iba, they wanna do it in the doctor's office.
Okay.
Give it first.
Okay.
But your wife's fine.
Okay.
She's fine that you wanna give the Hep B.
Mas magandang ganun na.
Oop, pee again.
Iihi na pala sila, no?
Don't shoot on me. Kapacha.
Okay.
He's not gonna like it. Baby.
Move. Alright, it's done now.
Okay, all done.
Ang haba ng ano nyo.
He turned red.
Ang haba.
I know, dear. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. Last one and we're done.
Okay.
I know. I'm sorry, baby.
Okay. It's done.
Last one.
Is your baby? No. Okay. It's a girl? Okay, congratulations. Thanks. Oh, the other baby there is sleeping. So quiet. Very quiet.